What is up, everybody? Todd here with the STB Guerrilla Gang Daily Disruption, coming at you this Saturday early evening. It's nice out here in Nebraska. Finally had a great day, so hanging out on the deck, finally outside, which is nice. So just been kind of enjoying the weather, and so it's always good to sit back and relax, refocus, rebuild, rejuvenate. You got to take time for those things. So I think a lot of times before this COVID thing, like running crazy all the time, like it's always good to take time to, relax, refocus, rebuild, rejuvenate. And now probably is giving all of us more time to do that than ever. And, how do you do that, right? Like, so you quiet your mind, take some deep breaths, that kind of stuff. So I like to kind of get into that mental frame of mind, get out in nature, and just listen to that inner voice, right? So I think that's key in kind of being able to keep pushing my body the way I push it on a weekly basis is staying true to that relaxing time in the week, right? So I train pretty intensely, really 7 days a week, but only 20 minutes of intensity today. This morning was 154 days in a row, which is 22 weeks now, I think. 22 weeks in a row of putting in the 20 minutes, so doing the work, winning the day, and then just being relentless at it, right? So biggest mantra is do the work, win the day, be relentless. So hopefully you're all having a great weekend, relaxing, rebuilding, rejuvenating, refocusing, and taking this time to spend it with family and loved ones, and enjoying the weather here in Nebraska at least, and hopefully everybody else is enjoying some good weather around the country. So that's all I got for you tonight. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Much love. Peace out. Later.